XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm going to discuss the XRP Ripple coin urgent alert and today latest news, my friends. I think that is the warning news for all of you, my friends. That is the last warning to all XRP holders, my friends. So please wake up now and just hold XRP, my friends. Now, my friends, at this time the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, a lot of cryptocurrencies price changes is going negative, the latest, my friends. But you know what, a lot of people confused that what should we do at this time, my friends. My messenger, my Instagram, my Telegram is full of messages of my followers, my viewers, my friends. So my friends, what should we do in this critical situation? That's really a great question of all holders, my friends. My friends, before starting this video, before discuss more update about XRP, so please I request all of you that please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. At this time the price of XRP is 0.616729 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XRP. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is negative. The last 1 hour change is positive, my friends. You can see here positive 1.27% change is positive. Any previous changes occur in the last 1 day, last 1 week is negative, my friends. Let me show you the price chart and let's do a price prediction. Let's do a technical analysis, my friends. You can see, my friends, from this chart that's clear that XRP price is going down from the 6th July and now today is 9th July. On the 9th July the price of the XRP start pumping and start explosion, my friends. So I hope, my friends, I hope that everything will be okay. You have to just patient, you have to just wait, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, and I really recommend for all of you at this time it's time to hold net to sell, because now the last 60 minutes the price started jumping. So I hope that they continue this jump for a long time, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, my friends.